Last video for 5-4. This is part 3. We're actually doing everything the same. There's just one little piece I want to make sure you know. I'm doing page 265, numbers 8 and 10. You're doing page 265, just number 9. Same, monitoring progress, check your answer in the back of the book. Alright, these aren't very different than what we've been doing. There's just like a little trick you might want to know. So, number 8, we have 3x being raised to the 1/3 power, and that's equal to -3. So we got to solve for x. Alright, now this is really the cube root. What undoes cube root? Well, what if we cube both sides? The cube and the cube root cancel each other out, right? 1/3 times 3, base to an exponent to exponent, you multiply. They cancel each other out. 1/3 times 3 is 1. We're left with 3x equals -27, and x equals -9. Done. That's it. Okay? It gets a little weirder, but almost nothing's different. There's just a rule that you need to know. So, pause, copy this down, and I'm going to go right to number 10. Okay, so here's the rule, and the rule is basically just take the reciprocal. X plus 2 to the 3/4 equals 8. All right. This is really the 4th root of x plus 2 cubed, which is wonderful. That's fine. But I just need to think of an exponent that I can raise it to that's going to make the exponent 1. So I don't have any exponents, I don't have any rads, and I can just solve for x. So it's the reciprocal. Write that down. You're taking the reciprocal for the exponent. So I'm going to raise it to the 4/3, because when I multiply these two exponents together, they cancel out, and I'm left with x plus 2 equals 8 to the 4/3. Now you have to solve. So do you know the cube root of 8? Yes, you do. It's 2. Do you know 2 to the 4th power? Yes, you do. It's 16. So we have x plus 2 equals 16, so x equals 14. All right? So when we get some weird-looking rational exponents, we're just going to take the reciprocal and raise both sides through the reciprocal and cancel those out. Do the math we need to do. Use a calculator if we need to use a calculator, and follow your Algebra 1 steps all the way down to the answer. Try number 9 on page 265, and we can talk about it tomorrow.